Morning guys, up early this morning, been for a run, getting stuff done. Just want to give this place a clean up, give the workshop a clean up and then crack on with the Lada. Got to do a video for LadaMoscow, putting the rear axle on, just giving it a coat of paint over there. So been for a run this morning as well, feeling super motivated. 100 subscribers, thank you so much guys, like, that's good, that's good. Yeah. I'm going to give the workshop a tidy up today, get the bits on the back, do the handbrake cables, rear beams. I might do the front brakes on the Sharan if I get the time and put some fuel in it, take it for a proper road test. But yeah, been to Wales the last couple of days, come back a new man. Absolutely awesome adventure. I don't know if I'm going to put the footage up on YouTube or not yet, but I've got a lot of footage from it. And then this is going to go back on its wheels, going to fit the air ride again, have it so I don't have to touch it again. Then the car will hopefully be rolling, apart from the lack of front steering rack. Sorry, it's still a bit early for me. I've just bought a mic, external mic for when we're quite far away, because I noticed in the last video, well I did notice, and then someone commented on it, Mads and his girlfriend, thank you for the feedback. So I'm buying an external mic for that as well. That's another adventure I need to learn. And yeah, so I'm going to crack on, get this place cleaned up and then start working on this. Smaller arms. I haven't got any washers left. Run out of washers. Right, I'm going to pop up the shop, have some lunch, get some washers, and I'll be back. I'm going to shoot off to the tool shop, get some washers. It's a beautiful day today. Lovely day. If you know, you know. God. The axle's been painted. Got the old fucking bus outside. Jump in the old 39. Let's go, go, go. Here we go. As you can see, I've had my lunch. Got my bag of washers. Had a lovely drive. I really want to say thank you to everybody who's just been a top guy, top person, top, you know, friends, family, who's sort of not pulled me through, but you know, been around these last few weeks. It's been tough, I'm not gonna lie, but I've come back a better person, and I just appreciate everything and everyone, because we've got some good things going on. Bag of bolts and washers. Nice. Oh. Geese. Almost there. Right then. Bit more to do. I've got the long arms on. I've got the shorter arms just mocked up. So I'll show you now what we're doing with them. Right, so we've got the bolts, the shorter arms. Right, so the nuts and bolts for the shorter arms. These ones here are M12 by 140, and they're not bad to fit. It's a bit tight. It's always better to put the bolt in through this side, put it through the arm first. That's what I found, because there's a lot of messing about putting it through the chassis rail first. Where are we going? There we go. I've been here for a long time today. About 12 hours ahead today. Just wanted to get this video up for LadaMoscow because everything that's gone on obviously took a while. I'm in a really good mood today. Really enjoyed myself today. It's nice to be back on it, you know. Really nice, and the car's looking really good. I've just put one of the wheels on just to see what it looks like. I've decided I'm going to put the front wheel on as well, and we're going to see how it looks, because I can't believe how much I'm tucking these 14s. Madness. Alright, wow. Thank you very much, LadaMoscow, for giving me the opportunity for this. I hope, well, the video's alright. I hope I've covered everything that needs to be covered in this. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, ask the LadaMoscow team. And yeah, so I look forward to shooting the next video. I still need to fit the shocks. I haven't fit the shocks yet, and obviously finished doing the handbrake cable and stuff. That'll be in another video, along with the air ride, I think. The next video will be me installing the air ride. Got a bit of welding to do on the front for the shock absorber mounts, but yeah. So I've had a really good day, so I thought I'd just put the wheels on the car to see how it looks, and just so you can get my vision to how the car's going to look. And yeah, let's see. Ignore that noise, that's just slight but yeah, really happy with how it's looking with the air ride on. So next is obviously to tidy it up a bit. I'm not too bothered about the bodywork at the moment. I quite like the patina and all the wax coming out of the cavities, but I will get the rest of it painted soon. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers. Yo, just editing this video with the best view going. Just want to say, if you liked what you saw in this video, for example, all of the work on the Lada, just to let you know, this is just a quick summary of what I done to fit the suspension arms, etc. If you want to see the full tutorial of that, if you go onto LadaMoscow's Global Garage, they are sponsoring me, and I have put a full rundown of everything I've done, all the bolts you need, all the sizes, everything you need on there. And this is like a 20-minute long video of how I fitted them mirror arms. I just didn't want to put too much onto this video because I don't want us to clash, but obviously I still want my own channel to go at the same time. So it was just a quick summary of what I've done, and yeah, please do like and subscribe to LadaMoscow if you want to see more progress like that, and tutorials and all sorts. I'll also be putting similar stuff on here, but obviously I'm not going to put the same stuff. And there's more things that are suited to this channel, like the personal stuff that's going on also, than there is to LadaMoscow's page. But yeah, please like and subscribe to both channels if you can. Obviously my channel, Penny Garage, is taken a big change to how I originally thought, so every like, every subscribe helps, because there's a few more opportunities like this one coming down the line actually, which I'm quite surprised about and very grateful for. So thank you to all my supporters, and thank you everybody, and I'll join you on the next video where we'll be talking about the old Chiran. Yes, we will. Hold on, just one more cheeky look at that. Don't you look beautiful? Yeah, we'll be talking about the Chiran hopefully, and finally get the ball rolling on that. So we'll be driving out to Denmark. That'll be an interesting video once it's finally released. But so we've just got to prep it up. It's been sat for a long time. Anyway, I'll talk about it more in the next video. But thank you very much for watching.